Croeso to one of the world's most bilingual universities. Here at Bangor, Welsh and English are used concurrently to the benefit of all. This may all be new to you, so here's some background information. Bangor University is the principal provider of higher education through Welsh. All our services for students are available in Welsh and in English, and there is a vibrant Welsh-speaking student community here at Bangor. The university is incredibly proud of these achievements. We believe that as a bilingual institution and a global centre of excellence for Welsh medium education, we are uniquely placed to understand and champion diversity in our approach to the student experience and engagement with our communities. A quick historical overview will explain why Bangor's success in developing and promoting Welsh medium education is to be celebrated.
Welsh is one of the oldest languages in Europe, with a rich literary tradition dating back to the 6th century. A progressive system of Welsh law was established by King Hywel Dda in the 10th century. Over the centuries, however, the Welsh language was forced out of public life, and laws were passed that prohibited anyone who spoke or used Welsh to hold public office. Welsh was kept out of formal systems of education for centuries. The education inspectors responsible for the Blue Books of 1847, for example, claimed that the Welsh language was a manifold barrier to the moral progress of the people of Wales. As late as the 20th century, the Welsh Not was used in schools. If a child was heard using Welsh, they were forced to wear the wooden sign around their necks until it was passed on to the next child heard speaking the language. The child who had the Welsh Not around their necks at the end of the day was subject to punishment. Gradually, however, the Welsh language started to regain its footing in public and educational life. Bangor University's Professor of Welsh, John Morris Jones, for example, published a Welsh grammar in 1913, which was critical in standardising the written language. The first Welsh school was established in Aberystwyth in 1939. By today, there are around 400 Welsh medium primary schools all across Wales.
The Welsh Language Act of 1967 meant that Welsh could once again be used in the courts in Wales. Further advances were made in 1993. Our Senedd, or Parliament, was established in 1999, and education was devolved to the Welsh Government. Finally, with the passing of the Welsh language measure in 2011, Welsh was established as an official language in Wales. Bangor University has been progressive in promoting the Welsh language for many years. Arts and humanities have been taught through Welsh here since the 1960s. We have had a bilingual policy since the late 1970s, and in 1981, Welsh and English were adopted as official languages in Bangor University. By now, students can study through Welsh in all subject areas and live all aspects of their university lives through Welsh.
And all of this makes sense, of course, as Welsh is a living language in Wales and is part of everyday life. We celebrate the Welsh language and culture yearly in events such as the Eisteddfod, but it's something that we're proud of every day. Bangor is located in Gwynedd, which is the county with the highest percentage of Welsh speakers in Wales. In the university itself, around 2,000 of our students speak Welsh, and around 70% of our staff have Welsh language skills. Anyone can be a part of this vibrant bilingual community. You can learn Welsh yourself, pick up just a few phrases, or simply enjoy listening to a different language. At Bangor, Welsh is a language for all, and we encourage you to enjoy and make the most of our rich cultural life.